Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. In this class we are going to learn future perfect continuous tense. In future perfect continuous tense we will use will or shall plus have plus been plus before. Okay, will or shall plus have plus been plus before. Now let us go through the examples. I will have been working in this company for 4 years by the end of this month. I will have been working in this company. Where is this future perfect continuous format coming here? Here. Will have been working. Okay. Next example. You will have been learning English for 3 years by the end of this year. So you can see here, will have been learning. So in this example we are seeing will plus have plus been plus before. Okay, where should we use this? In this example you see, I will have been working in this company for 4 years by the end of this month. So by the end of this month, I will be completing 4 years. Means for a period of 4 years, I was working in this company. So in order to express an action which will be continuing in the future for a period of time, means for 4 years, for 1 month. So for a period of time, we will express future perfect continuous. And see the next one. You will have been learning English for 3 years by the end of this year. So you will have been learning English for 3 years by the end of this year. That means by the end of this year, 3 years will have been complete. Means I have learned 3 years English. That means in future, if I study some more months or some more days, I will be completing 3 years. So in the future, for a period of time, if any work is or any action is going on, we will use future perfect continuous. Many people confuse with future continuous and future perfect continuous. Okay, let us write an example for future continuous also here, and let us see the difference of both the sentences. So I am writing for future continuous. Already we explained. See the examples. My mother will be cooking tomorrow. By this time my mother will be cooking. So at that particular time, tomorrow at this time, she will be cooking. She will be doing that work. Here see the period of time for 4 years. So that is the difference. Future perfect continuous tense will be continuing for a period of time, and future continuous tense will be continuing in the future at a particular time. Now we have completed all the tenses in active voice, and in the coming video I will also explain some examples for all these tenses once again. Thank you for watching.